and just keep in mind, because this is gonna help you to develop the entire, like, your work. Because I see whenever we give the assignment, you do, like, and while answering it, because I went through yesterday 54 student. So, and in the list there are the students though they haven't submitted, but yeah, I do not want to waste everyone time right now. But make sure that I do have all this track, and I'll come back to you. Maybe individually, maybe we'll call your parents, and somehow, because if assignment was given, if you haven't solved, then you will not have learning in this class. The learning process is required a lot of exploration. There is a lot of your own practice, and the most important thing which is there in learning is, as much as you will understand your work and you will try to improve it next time. So that is very important process whenever we do have learning things. So let's move to the slide by slide, and we'll have presentation here for you. Yeah. Well, so this one I selected here, if you will see. So all these two pages together, here you have left hand side. If you will see, there are the different face and gestures. So normally I see you all are struggling with the human figure, attending the class from so long. For your entrance exam, I told you whenever I take the class, the idea is entrance exam. Entrance exam, if we keep in a mind, so if you will see, you have to draw a person from back or front. So we can see the front faces for a young guy, and like, in the front there's one more gentleman is here, and there are the two back face on above in this composition. So if you are able to draw this two line, one for a man, one for a woman, and then there is a side face, one person is sitting on chair, he can sit anywhere on railway station, the same pose you can keep it in, like, bus stop. So any of this picture you can use in this two composition, if you will see. However, there is a one family is in this composition in left hand side, the first one. So right hand side here, if you will see, starting from nose, face, side face of the woman, and different face we tried. So just imagine, if you will learn a group of people individually, a child, woman or man, front, back, side pose, more than that is not required. Even you are learning it right now when sir is teaching you, either Vijayan sir or maybe the Sanjay sir, because they are the anatomy teacher. So they must be teaching you in anatomy form or stick form, and then you have to convert. Once you are okay with proportion 2:3 and all, and you just drape it properly, more than that is not required. So you guys only tell me how much work and how much we need to learn for our exam point of view. I am giving you surety, if this much if you will learn, which is here the poses are, or maybe apart from this there is one family or one group, you can make those people in any kind of composition. Because you are not going to make 10 composition in the exam, hardly the one composition. Then why these questions are there in the mind? How to learn the anatomy? Is that so difficult? Is it really difficult in compared to your other subject which you are doing, you have learned, or maybe you are going to learn your physics, chemistry, math formula? Just imagine this is as a formula from in my techniques. My way is, if you are not good in, take it as a, like, I do not want to become want you to become a good in anatomy. I don't want. I just want, take it as a 10 formula. Okay, this 10 formula have to mug up side, front, back, and do not contradict with sir. Okay, when you are having a class, don't tell him, तो मैंने ऐसा बोला है, so I will do this only. What you are learning it, you learn. If you can cope up, you can learn it, it's okay. But because we have exam on head, keeping that in mind, at least correct this much. एक फ्रंट फेस, एक साइड फेस, इसलिए इस पेपर में आप देखोगे there are two men or women which is on above, the facing towards the opposite side, the back side line बनाना इतना difficult नहीं है. This you can use it in your this composition also anywhere, and you do not need to make lot of thing in background. अगर उसको use कर लिया, like suppose I am here sitting in this composition. If you can look at me on your screen, so I am covering almost 40% part of the center of this entire composition. There is a negative side is left and right of me, and this side is the rack, behind is the TV and other things. So most of the things are covered. So आप compose जो करोगे easily you can. Now look at this composition which is here on the screen. Someone want to talk about it? कोई डिफिकल्टीज, कोई चीज लग रही है आपको या एक्सप्लेन करना है आप में से कोई करेगा? बिकॉज आई नीड like volunteer. I want you guys to come forward. Any representative or anyone? क्या हो रहा है आपको देख के, क्या लग रहा है बताओ? दिस एनाटॉमी ह्यूमन वाला तो मैंने बता दिया. Why? What is the purpose? What is your? Anyone? Hey, come on. You can at least tell me, okay, one is railway station, one is bus stop.
Sir.
इतना तो I'm expecting this answer at least.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so participate.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. In the first composition, I can see there that a boy is missed. Like he missed his mom. He's searching over there, and other person from there is looking like at that boy. Like he's crying. Maybe that person is looking at him, and a person is going here with his bag, and a lady is standing there. It's a train composition. So much I can understand.
So that's a family of 3 and they are going somewhere. And
Okay.
yeah, they're going to the train, not somewhere. And then there's another train which has left for the station. And there's
Okay.
a random man staring, maybe waiting for the train. And then
Yeah.
I can see there's a train on the station. I don't understand that. Just behind the man, the train. Like there's
No,
something.
it is shop. It is shop.
Oh, okay, that's a shop. Yeah, that looks like a train.
So you cannot see pillar also and shop also, both. If pillar is there, you will see half part of that in an actual composition.
Yeah.
So I can explain this picture. In this picture, the station is being presented. So there's a family with one father, mother, and a boy, and one man is inside the train, and train is leaving the station, and there's a shop, and it is written TF4, means station number is also written, which station is it, and there is a pillar of light here in the, no sir, this one, yes sir, and here person can sit also while waiting for their train, and man is standing just front of train. Oh sir, that one, that side. Yes sir.
Well, second one, what is your name, by the way? I cannot see your screen,
So Gauri.
Gauri, okay. Second one, Gauri, you want to explain?
So in second picture, there is a bus which is left in the bus stand, and there's a man who is waiting for the another bus, and in her hand there is a one bag, and back of that there is some garden, and we can see the trees also at the back of the bus, and there's some luggage also on the bus,
Okay.
and the bus number, and the back of the bus there's also buildings also are there. Yes sir.
Well, anyone else which Gauri and other of your friend have already talked, but anything extra you can see this in this composition?
Sir, it seems it is some residential area because there are houses behind and like a garden kind of thing. So yeah.
Yes. So the one most important thing we have missed, the zebra crossing is there. Crossing wala, these things. Normally it's
Okay,
marked
sir.
there. Then the first composition, if you will see, I think Gauri has explained very nicely. There are a lot of things. Track is also seen. Back side of train is seen. That means the train is going that side. Then if you will go for ever part, detailing of the that set detailing, that is half seen. The inside also set detailing is there. Then the right hand side there is a watch is there, station we see normally big watch, right? So each and every detail, then everyone is in their own motion and movement. Then second composition will come back, the very clearly seen the bus is already left the place, that person maybe came outside the bus, or maybe out of two possibilities are there. Behind the building, with the building we can see the hoarding board, may not be visible properly but it is there. the hoarding board. Then tree is there, must count the tree. First talk about it if it's seen over there, right? Then again the billboards are here. Boards are here in the bus stop, which you can add the
Advertisements?
So what was my idea? Now you got it. Why I'm telling you to explain so that you can talk. Okay, how the women's sari having a print, but men t-shirt is solid, and the pant. So it's all detailing. You do not focus. Where you guys stuck is you think composition with 1 point perspective. Perspective drawing karna hai. First you draw the perspective line. Then maybe if it's train, you draw one train on one bus, and you started struggling nearby, or else you started studying like too much, which I seen a 54 student feedback yesterday. Most of you have struggling in that. So setting doesn't mean like you do that much setting, you cannot see the detailing. So if you want 30 out of 30, at least you should need to add the 30 element in your composition. If composition is village market, that doesn't mean you should draw only the one person buying something and that vegetable one or two shop is seen. You have to elaborate it something. Maybe that person is in focus buying somewhere in a shop, but behind and all other scenario also you have to create. Here if you see in this composition also, bus is almost in half of the composition, but other detailings are also equally present. Here if we'll see the train part wala side, there is a train scene very clearly, both composition and eye level, and it is very important. So I hope this anatomy and composition, these two region which disturb you a lot, and maybe you feel like sometime to give up and not coming in your work. I hope I am able to make sense here after your lot of regular classes, and all the new student, though I invited them also for this class, almost 15 student. You can learn these direction, take it as a strategy. Already I have discussed with these kids, so that you are supposed to follow while attending the class. Keep in mind what to learn, what is the limit of the learning, and which things you need to improve. Trust me, if honestly you will start working on it, within a week you can improve when you will start analyzing yourself. क्योंकि इसमें आपको क्या सीखना है, एक बस कैसे बनता है हाफ ऑफ द साइड, एक ट्रेन की थोड़ी सी डिटेलिंग, पिलर लाइंस फॉर्म. There is a hardly, apart from this human anatomy, if you remove the things, there is a lot of things. Honestly tell me which one is feel still you cannot do it. कोई है यहाँ पे क्लास में जिसको लग रहा है यू कैन नॉट डू इट, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता मेरे से, नहीं बनेगा. You don't know even how to hold the pencil and draw on paper. So we'll start with the construction line forms and all. There's no issue. But let me know anyone if feel like, if you can talk here in the class. If not, then you can tell me individually also. There's no problem. It's a big class. There are so many students. I cannot see this. Well, so I should move for next. Tell me yes or no. Should I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, so next one. Let's go to next slide. There are a lot of things to share now here. Whenever you guys make the poster, so poster में main element गायब हो जाता है. You started doing a doodle. Posters should have their element and story behind of it. Do or die. So what is there? What all element we are having in first image? Tell me.
So there is a pigeon and a wheel which is breaking, and the pigeon is trying to hold the, matlab, pick up the wheel. He's trying his best, sir.
Okay, and below that?
So below.
So I
there
guess
is
it's
water.
like ये कोई पानी में ऐसे बार टाइप कुछ सीन है, तो वहां पे ये पिजन है जो वो पहिए के ऊपर ही है, और मतलब वो.
No, sir, it's hard
Is
work.
it the
It shows
Ashoka
hard work.
chakra in the flag?
That the wheel is breaking. There's water inside, and if the pigeon has to carry the wheel, and if it falls, it will go into the water, and pigeon will not be able to pick it up again.
Okay, anyone else?
I think we can think like this also, that the whale is in water and the pigeon has get hurted in her leg, and he wanted to stay on that wheel so that he can that she can easily reach to the sand or where he can be safe there. So he's trying too hard to reach the sand where land on which he can easily comfortable there. Because in water, if he fall down, so it will die. The pigeon will die.
Might
Okay,
be the
this
leg of the got
So,
stuck in the
Yes,
oil
sir.
and
so
he's trying to get
So
out
there
of
are
it.
two meanings to
Yeah,
this.
too hard to reach the land.
either
There
yeah.
are two meanings to this because on top, if you can observe, there's written water conservation and do or die. So one meaning is that the bird is trying to help remove this from the water as its junk, and the other one is that how they are
meaning is
representing hard work.
Yeah. When we are talking that's what I said, do or die, first to all of you. So then what you will think, I was looking at your, mindset there at that terms. Now your friend is adding water conservation. So the moment is water conservation, save water. Then entire concept will change. The pigeon is the symbol of, I said, which three element we have. The one is symbol of peace, another is symbol of war, and the third is the water, the storyline which we have in behind this. So water ke liye, do we looking for peace or war? So we are in that condition now. So there's a one way. Another way is you are making a story towards the pigeon and water, and then war वाला जो है वो ऐसे their hard work whatever. So understand the concept, what is the idea. Concept is okay, whatever is the concept, that's an individual concept, but whenever you present the work, it should speak about it. जैसे इसके बारे में you are able to narrate the story, right? You can see the elements over here, but sometimes when you guys make the posters, I'm not saying do it so hard and very neat clean theek hai, but as if your poster means poster, it should not look like a hoarding board. There's a lot of content, बहुत सारा words लिखा हुआ है, छोटा छोटा elements, make poster symbolic, but with caption and something so that it's represent themselves, or else the story can be in some different line also. Now the second one, if you will see here, the drop of water. What is happening after a drop of water? This story, tell me.
A plant is being created.
Yeah. So
तो
normally we
ये
see. Yes, बताइए.
ये कोई मतलब जैसे डेड ट्रंक है उस पे भी अगर एक ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर डाली जाए तो उसमें से भी प्लांट उग सकता है. तो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट हाउ मतलब वी हैव टू सेव वाटर.
Yes. So one single drop of water.
One drop of water can give a new life to a plant.
Yeah, new life, or in this condition we can say they can revive or survive or sustain and still can fight for their their presence. So it is very important how you are connecting the story, making a storyline. So if somebody will just draw a water drop, may not make that sense. Let's see a few more examples. Yeah. Someone want to talk about this? Little help can save life. Aishwarya, good. I want you guys to become good in caption also. Look at this, and I want first one who want to explain this composition.
So can I talk?
Yeah.
So there's one way to look at this. It's that so if you relate this to a baby being born from a egg, it does get produced, but it also it's got to be safe, right? It's got to be protected. So the same way this person had represented the earth being broken out of an eggshell, it's that it can be protected, but after a point, it also needs help in preserving itself because the damage is not only done by itself, but it's also been done by others.
Malvika, you want to say something?
Sir, I know it's about preserving Earth. Sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
I'm not able to find the correct explanation.
I think it's also a symbol of how fragile
the earth is and how delicate the place that we live is on, because one wrong move and something wrong can happen.
Yeah.
So
That
it's
should not be
basically that
atmosphere.
we eat eggs, but we need to save the population of chickens, because like if we need to preserve them, because if we only eat, then everything will go and we won't be able to eat more. Something like that. So we need to preserve it as well.
That could be said that the Earth is like it's protected by atmosphere. That shield is atmosphere, which is broken due to our activities, global warming, increase of global warming.
Global warming, yes. So it's
That
closer to global
So,
warming side. Yeah.
So we can even tell that there are a lot of resources in Earth which is produced, but it need at point of time it needs to be preserved, and there need to be development of sustainability, or else it will end up breaking like an egg, and nothing will be left out.
Well, so one more thing I would like to say when you talk about sustainability, apart from sustainability, everything cannot be sustainable. So we have to move towards more like a circular design, which again you reuse, reduce. No, you have heard about all this upcycling. So brands are also working in circular mode. That means the today we have in like in a consumer hand, tomorrow it's again come back to the brand. Like suppose normally you see the all 300 200 ml, like that's bottles are Coke bottles are, and any other these drinks bottle which people used to drink, and the some shops and somewhere, and then again you give it back to them at that time only, so they reuse it, those. So in that mode also we have to go for. And when you buy it cane kind of, or maybe the plastic bottle one, which is you normally we cannot, the brand they do not reuse it, it goes into somewhere else and all, and some portion, and most of the portion is waste, it cannot be sustainable. So there are a lot of things. That's what after sustainability also, the zero wastage also, the new things which comes, that is now the brands and everyone is working on it, and that is more into the market, which you guys can research, circular design. So how it works. Now next slide. So this one similar you have seen on like already on, I think in some example if you go for, but the design is here a bit different, like how you have seen on online. This is more different a bit, but it is there similar. Next one. All can understand that one, global warming. Yeah, this is the two example which I would like to show you. The first one is doodle before doing the work. So before doing the final one, you can plan it. So कौन सा बनाना? This was I'm telling you the basic sketch, line drawing, doodle plan कर लिया. You may not need to do the final colors, painting, and it should take 5 to 10 minutes for each ideas. Out of that, you want to pick. You can pick anyone and you can draw. That's in 6x6 size, 4x4 size. Not required into full page. पूरा इतना मेरे काम के लिए तो कहीं मत करना आप. I never restrict in a A3 or A4 और पता चला आप एक भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. So that you do take care of it, that part. Next one. I hope all of you are clear about it. What I want to show, that was my agenda to show you this too in compare to, because that is the mistake we are doing it. When I say to do doodle, आप उसमें setting और detailing करने लगते हो basic drawing. Anyone having any doubt and question related to this? What I'm trying to portray and want to say you, are you guys got it?
yes, sir.
Amrita, new students are, you guys are getting it? Before doing
Yes.
any
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Next slide. Yes. Yeah, this one is called stamp. Very close to poster. Here you need to add the element as a stamp. But see how impactful it is. After having a look at this, you can get to know, okay, what is the main idea and concept. Anyone want to explain this?
Sir,
I
basically
want to
smoking kills.
explain.
Basically,
Sir, basically smoking kills. I guess it is lungs. Like basically the guy is trying to portray lungs. How can it harm the whole thing? like if you look closely, because there is some magnifying glass also. So basically, if you will look closely, you can see the impacts which was done by smoking or a cigarette,
I
maybe.
think there is bone. This is the bone. If we, this is cigarette
Yeah,
and yeah.
the cigarette,
If
when
we see
magnified, we can
closely to
see a
if
destroyed
we
part of
closely to this
the human.
glass, we can see that how how dangerous it is to cigarette to take the cigarette because it harm your body at full rate. So by magnifying glass, we want to show that how dangerous it for our health. So this was the main uh, reason of this question.
So we can see a lot of skeletons like bones, which shows that because of smoking, how many people have lost their lives.
Well, so is this clear? Easily you can understand from
Yes,
here?
sir.
And anyone, I can see everybody. I was just what I was waiting to see that. Okay, what you all giving the example. So everyone can understand the meaning here.
Yes, sir.
No one having a problem. What is the detail? Why the magnifying glass is? So that maybe while smoking you do not realize, but through magnifying glass, through that vision, if you will see, if you will open your eyes, if you want to see really, so it shows that how the things destroy your life. So impact. So can you see the difference between the work which we approach, what I'm telling you, 15 marks say 30 marks ka journey. So you
Yes,
need
sir.
to
The
decide
best
where
part.
you want to reach. With
Yes, sir. The
example, I'm showing you, right? And it's not so difficult also to reach there.
So this will
Well,
help,
next
sir.
one.
That's it, sir.
Okay. So I do not, we have many, there's no doubt. But my idea is this all we have shifted. Rimji ma'am, you also had some PPT, na?
Yeah, I have that one, which is, the graphic posters and everything.
Yeah. So it's okay. You can continue with that in later on the classes. You are supposed to take that class, right? And
Yes,
you have
yes,
already
yes.
taken?
No, I haven't. I haven't taken it.
Yeah, yeah. So classes is like, for a pattern, how to, or graphics example. And if you will start doing it, when I was joined the Madura, that is Aditya Birla was a company. And in Aditya Birla Mein, one of my manager, one day he said, when you really want to do something, he used the words, the Arabic word niyat. If something which you really want to do it, you will find the way. So please, I would like to say that you all are going to write the exam in very soon, moreover, everyone is here going to write the exam next year because all the next year students are in weekend class now. So my only concern is I cannot say that intent in the work. I can that this is my 100% and this is what I want to do. And still you are confused, if you are in doubt and you are lost, the first most important thing is at least you have, if your idea is not coming on paper is different, we will learn that how to portray the idea. It is not so difficult. Also we have seen faculty is here to help you. You ask them, you so okay, you have tried the thrice this particular object and started doing the micromanaged. Okay, I am trying it, my main element is maybe the magnifying glass, वो नहीं बन रहा है, तो magnifying glass को देखेंगे कैसे बनाएं. Here also you see there is no, you haven't seen a complete bus, not required, complete train was not there, very easy, backside of train we have taken. A magnifying glass, just a one side was there, not a complete side. Bone also, if you will draw something later. So you need to find the way rather than stick with the problem. None of the object which I show you right now, except the one wo will wala part, that is also half was in water, but still it's seen. None of them very complete, perfect. Okay, acha, ye human being hai, ye aise. Normally you learn the object drawing and all with the all detailing. But which I show you here in the composition, not even a single object was complete, rendered, and maybe once you are doing individual, you are doing it far better than this. So problem kya ho raha hai? I want to know that today in the class. That's what I invited you all in the class today. And the second half in this class, we'll have attendance for sure. We will discuss if you have done something new right now. After 2 minutes, we'll join again. And I have few things to share, which is related to your exam, related to your marking system, like, which is more important. And the tomorrow class is again common only, which I want all of you to participate. Before that, everyone have to make the today's, based on today's attendance, what will be the assignment. I'll tell you the one work only I want the quality one work, because many of you have skipped, haven't done it, class nahi aaye, test ye nahi kara, because I have every student I discuss individually, feedback also was given, keeping in mind how it will work to the group also. So all this we'll discuss in second part, very importantly. So after rejoining it, we'll have only today, which I promise you, only today 20-minute more session. So in 20 minutes we'll take, so whomsoever is a quicker, faster today, yesterday was a different, where we are taking each and every one. So today it more like a whomsoever want to come early and start, we will discuss with them. And the 5 minute I'll keep it for my own discussion and giving you all the assignment and brief. So that is what the next session is. We can restart the RimGym map, like, next session.
All right, guys, just quickly rejoin. And CRs, just take the attendance, all right? Okay.
This management, like, micromanage, which I said right now, and which I share you, the pretty direction based. I do not want to go for this. I want you guys to explore and come out with your own ideas and concept. So that's what we are giving you, all basic classes, which you will complete first. And you will draw and come up with your concepts and all. Do not refer. Today I can show you, would ask me, which I show you in the compose, like, this thing here. If I would say the book, I would have more than, like, here the one row of the book, and apart from that, at least there are 8-10 of students and the different books which having a lot of sketches, painting, and the similar poster composition. I can share with all of you, you can copy it, but I do not want to do that. The idea was not to copy the work. Idea is just to understand the steps and start working in this way, so that you can do the similar work in the exam, or maybe you will come up with the better and final ideas. Because still 10 out of 30, either it's NID or NIFT, be it bachelor or master, out of 30 for your any drawing question, getting 15 marks, 12 marks, 18 marks is easy. That's what most of these colleges also 50 to 60% is there in their percentage. But if you want to come, if you remember the day one also, which I said, if you want to come in top 100, top 200, this is the difference you have to create. You have to make sure, after looking your work, every single, anyone had a doubt which I was showing you the work, you had any doubt in that, or it was not so hard or difficult kind of work which is not possible? If anyone feeling like not possible, let us know. हम उस पे काम करेंगे, वहां तक improve करेंगे. अगर आप उस level का अगर नहीं कर पा रहे, it's just execution. It is nothing was artistic. जो perfect face बना हो, the perfect shoes or some perfect object you have seen in the composition was not there. अगर इस level का भी काम नहीं है, so just tell me how much time you needed to improve this till this level. If you'll attend the regular class, 1 month. अगर practice किया तो 1.5 month. Or individually the object and compositions. So I want very sincere and effective work. I'm giving you very simple topic today. Will not imagine it also. The topic is save water, which sound very easy, but do not go for refer for Google ideas, which you have done, lot of you in your composition or poster, जहाँ से कि आपने as it is copy कर लिया. Like suppose I have shown you 2-3 ideas for save water. Can you find those in Google? मिलेगा वो Google में जो मैंने आपको आज दिखाया? Just at least you can shake your head or thumbs up or yes or no. Challenge me yes, so that I can understand. Like very few.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Your idea is yours only.
No. It is not your and my or someone. I'm just showing you some example. My idea is very simple. This is the direction line. So this. Second topic also I'll give you, but optional. You can do one out of these two. You are universally talking a lot about corona. Obviously, something will be related to do so. May come in the exam in NID or NIFT. So you can make any kind of the poster, post corona awareness, during corona something, but do not think very basic. थोड़ा टाइम दो, सोचो. जो आपको मैंने एक रफ छोटा छोटा बॉक्सेस दिखाया था, उस पे काम करो. Make 5, 6 out of them, find out or ask in a home which one you like the ideas, and draw one, and that is final. And it should come through CR this time for tomorrow class 5 p.m. It should come through CR, because we can have a count of the head, total student, how many have submitted, how many have not submitted. So if you will not submit, you will be absent, and do not disturb them, because they will also have their own work, classes and all. So make sure you submit before 10 a.m. tomorrow. I'm not telling you tonight. Before 10 a.m. tomorrow, one work. So they will have time, like, enough 5-7 hour time to compile it, all the PDF group wise. Yeah. So that is the thing. We'll do it. Rimjim ma'am will tell you, but I want it should come through channel. We should follow it. Why your friend is representative, so you can share your emotion, problem or things. So try, understand. In the group also we should have, like, this thing where if 5 of you are very active, make sure other student will participate actively, and together you can make intensity of class is much better, where everyone is coming with their ideas and concept. Well, now moving forward, what we have today, what you have learned, the one thing. Second, what you have doubt after this, and questions are. So another 10 minutes for all of you. If you have anything to share, say, discuss, make sure you let me know, so that मुझे पता चले हुआ क्या, आपने समझा या नहीं समझा, क्योंकि सारे क्लासेस हो रही है, प्रोसेस रुका हुआ है.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
I'm not
please.
there in any group. Like, so to whom I will submit the drawing?
What is your name?
Husna Fatima. Yesterday I have joined.
So you are in contact with someone, maybe me, my name is Krishna, or Gaurav,
Yeah,
or Rimji.
with you only I'm in
Yeah,
contact.
so I only sent you 5 p.m. link. Remember, I only sent you the one student. तो आप मुझे भेजोगे, है ना? You will send me only. You are not in regular classes right now. You are right now in the strategy class where we are making a plan for
Yeah,
our
sir.
exams. Yeah, तो आप अभी के लिए इसी में भेजोगे, मेरी ही क्लास होगी. बाकी जब regular faculty class होंगे तो you will have your own mentors, you will have your own class and representative, and the faculties for those chapters. Send
Okay,
to
sir.
mentors. And yeah, if you are in certain group, you are supposed to send to your representative, or individually if you are in contact with someone, either Krishna, that's me, Mukesh, Gaurav, Rimjim ma'am, then Vijay sir, whomsoever you are in, you can send them. If you are not in particular group, or not registered right now. Well,
Okay, sir.
now it's another questions, if anyone having.
So I have a question. So like
Yeah.
most of the time when my feedback is going on. So like for example, you saw I drew 4 pictures, and then in only one of them you gave the feedback. So I'm like confused. So like the others, I know they are fine, but how should I work on them as well? How should I give myself marks on the others?
Well,
Yeah.
so it's a good question, Mitusi. I would like to say that I was repeating yesterday again and again. And if you will notice, if you are present tentative in the class, I was saying it. Initially, I was explaining the all 5. Then there was a time I was started taking a 1, whichever I feel doubt and I was talking about, because your problems and your doubts and the problem was there in your work, like suppose proportion, size, like, I remember almost everyone work. So it was the similar kind of problem in other work also, which already we have discussed. आप जब सबका काम देखोगे, that's what I'm saying it. When you will notice that everyone work, there's more learning there from the classes, and you will pick the things. This class is not like, okay, Divya अपना काम देखेगी, मितुसी सेपरेट काम करेगी. We are in right now in the level where we are in the class feedback, so it's a holistic. Why I need to call all the student together, the 60 student yesterday. आज नए बच्चों को भी क्यों बुलाया? So there is a reason, है ना? तो उसको ध्यान देंगे. In case after that also somebody, अगर आपको लग रहा नहीं, I am not that enough, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, मुझे डाउट है, I didn't understand, आप शेयर करो, तुरंत बताइए, पूछो कौन से वाले में डाउट है ना? जैसे आप अभी दिखाओ, लेट्स टेक इट एग्जांपल, अभी अपना काम दिखाओ, ऑन द स्क्रीन दिखाओ आप.
जो मैंने कल भेजा था वही.
हाँ, कल वाला ही दिखाओ.
Okay.
And if it was required for few student, though their completely angle अलग था, कुछ अलग था, तो I have discussed after that also 2-3. Like suppose if this is the composition, one of the composition, तो आपको क्या लगता है जो इससे रिलेटेड क्या क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए, क्या फीडबैक होना चाहिए? What is your?
सर पीछे जो विलेज है उसमें शेडिंग कम करके थोड़ा डिटेलिंग ज्यादा कर सकते हैं.
वेरी नाइस, यू आर गेटिंग. और बताओ क्या नहीं समझ में आया, देखते हैं ना.
सर और बस मेरे को तो यही लग रहा है, बाकी मेरे को ठीक लग रहा है.
बाकी ठीक लग रहा है. आपने एक और अच्छा चीज करा है, जो जेस्चर ऑफ द पीपल्स आर डिफरेंट, यू नो, डिफरेंट, नॉट लाइक यू नो सेम एंगल सेम काइंड ऑफ. सेकेंड थिंग, रेदर देन हैविंग सो मेनी लोगों के आसपास में छोटा मोटा एलिमेंट आप ऐड कर सकते हो, बिकॉज यू आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट द विलेज सीन, राइट? ये विलेज ही है ना. हाँ, तो क्या होता है, थोड़ा वहां पे वो बैम्बू वगैरह का रहेगा, कुछ स्टिक एंड ग्रास रहेगा थोड़ा आसपास में. इट्स नॉट वेरी, सरफेस आर नॉट वेरी लाइक यू नो नीट क्लीन डॉट देयर. या कोई एनिमल होगा, मे बी डॉग और काउ, समथिंग अराउंड. तो मैंने क्या वो आज वाले कंपोजिशन में व्हाट आई एम टीचिंग, सो आई वाज टीचिंग लाइक यू नो जो एलिमेंट्स क्या क्या हैं. आपको याद है मैंने पहले वाले में 15 मिनट एक्सप्लेनेशन का टाइम लिया था, फर्स्ट 15 मिनट आई वाज आस्किंग यू गाइस ओके व्हाट यू कैन सी, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू जो आपको एलिमेंट ऐड करना है. वही मिस हो जाता है. आपने इसमें क्या करा, आदमी बनाते बनाते आपका मन भर गया, पीछे पेड़ बना दिया तो वो गांव बन गया और यू आर डन. उसमें सेटिंग करके खुश हो गया, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है. गेटिंग इट?
तो मैंने एक फोटो से रेफरेंस लिया था, लाइक दिस इज अ रियल पिक्चर.
व्हाटएवर, अब यू हैव ड्रॉन द रियल इमेज एंड व्हाटएवर, बट यू हैव टू सी एग्जाम में नंबर कैसे आएगा, मुझे उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. तो आपने गूगल से किया या कहीं फोटो था आपको तो उसको रेफर करके थोड़ा ट्विस्ट करके बनाया, दैट इज सेपरेट. व्हेन आई से समवन, मैंने कल भी ऑलमोस्ट 8-10 बच्चों को बोला जो गूगल इमेज है, my only concern is those are very famous painting or like you know और composition जो मैं बचपन से देखते आ रहा हूँ. अगर वो बना दिया आपने तो किसी मतलब चेक करने वाले ने देखा, देखते ही उसका आपके लिए कितना अच्छा इंप्रेशन बनेगा. सो यू नीड टू डिसाइड व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, है ना? चलो दूसरा दिखाओ. लेट्स सी, आई विल टेक ऑल एग्जांपल्स सो दैट अदर स्टूडेंट कैन अंडरस्टैंड. तो नहीं, मैंने सबको सारा एक्सप्लेन करा है, किसी का कुछ इनकम्प्लीट नहीं है. हाँ जी, इसमें क्या बोला था, इसमें क्या होना चाहिए बताओ?
इसमें म्यूजियम पार्क था तो इसमें सिर्फ म्यूजियम बनाया था मैंने, तो वो मिसकंसेप्शन हुआ था.
नहीं ठीक है, इट इज ओके. म्यूजियम अगर है वो भी उसका इंडोर डिटेल नहीं है, लोग ज्यादा दिख रहे हैं. तो वो तो सीन है ना, मतलब आप आदमी देखते हुए उसको दिखना चाहिए, बट वहां जो एरिया है वो भी दिखना चाहिए ना.
तो I should make more detailed background.
या रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर पाएगा ना लोग कोई. मैं बोलूंगा नहीं, मेरे लिए स्ट्रीट है, मेरे लिए स्ट्रीट है, साइड वाला जो है वो वॉल वगैरह चल रहा है. बताओ आप बोलो नहीं है ऐसा. या डू यू वांट मी टू आस्क द अदर स्टूडेंट, जैसे मैं अभी वो स्क्रीन पे दिखा रहा था, पूछ रहा था, यू ऑल कम अप विद द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट, बट हियर आप 5 लोग अलग अलग बताएंगे, तो आपका मैच करना चाहिए. Very simple. Getting, yeah, tell me.
Nothing. I was agreeing with you.
No, it's not about agree or disagree. I want you guys disagree with me. No problem. But only thing we need to understand is इसके बाद आपका improvement हो जाए काम का.
Okay.
नहीं है तो बताओ. That's not a completely, it is not like I am completely right. आप बता सकते हो. बोलो, कुछ तो बोला
एक्चुअली
था तुम।
डिटेल में फिर ज्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा।
हाँ, डिटेल में ज्यादा काम था, बट हमें क्या देखना है, क्वेश्चन पूछो फिर आंसर मिलेगा। हमें क्या देखना है, अगर हम म्यूजियम बना रहे हैं तो व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट?
टू सी द वर्क।
उसका ऑरा,
मतलब टू क्रिएट दैट ऑरा म्यूजियम दिखना चाहिए सबसे पहले, है ना?
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए।
तो थोड़ा सा भी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है इस कंपोजिशन?
So यहाँ पे two statues are there and then people are cleaning it. So like the staff is cleaning it.
तो इसमें क्या हुआ, ओवरऑल क्या हुआ, जो क्लीनिंग स्टाफ और आदमी 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 भर गया वहां पे, आता जाता ऐसे फ्रंट ऑफ कंपोजिशन। तो एक एलिमेंट्स ऐसा होना चाहिए, आपने एक क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट बनाने उस चीज का आप रख लो, मस्ट बी योर हैंड इज पेनिंग, रख दो उसको नीचे, कोई बात नहीं है। मितुश्री, इट्स ओके, फाइन। सो आप किसी को भी कोई डाउट हो तो आप पूछो, जैसे एक और फ्रेंड ने आपका पूछा है, जो इमेजिनेशन में आता है ड्रॉ नहीं होता है, तो लाइक सपोज लेट्स सी ड्रॉ क्यों नहीं होता है। आई विल कुड यू प्लीज, नॉट एबल टू इमेजिन। रूबी आपने कब ज्वाइन करा है, व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड द क्लास?
Sir, 4 to 5 months ago.
4 to 5 months ago. Could you please show me your last drawing book, which is nearby you right now?
Sir.
Ruby.
Yes, sir.
Drawing book.
Okay, sir.
Last 5 work.
Last 5 work.
Just drawing book, last drawing book.
Okay, sir, I'm showing.
Yeah.
सर और दिखाएं?
नहीं, आप कल के क्लास में नहीं थे रूबी?
यस सर थे।
कल हमने कैसे क्या करा था हमने? होमवर्क जो मैंने दिया था वो बनाया आपने?
यस सर, फीडबैक भी मिला था और बताया भी था आपने कि तो गूगल से रेफरेंस लिया है।
नहीं, इट्स ओके, आपने लिया था वो ठीक है। मैं जस्ट चेकिंग योर नेम, रूबी कुमारी। इनफैक्ट इट वाज इन माय, हाँ रूबी 41, हाँ आपका नाम है। तो ठीक है, आप बंद करो इसको, मैं बताता हूँ। आपका क्यूब का बॉक्स का लाइन सही नहीं है। Almost what you need to do, Ruby, is your lines and strokes are okay. It is not so like this thing. 4 months is done now. Just look at the things, क्या क्या elements आप use करना चाहते हो poster और composition में, और frequently you are using is those elements. So practice those elements couple of time. That is enough for you. And जो भी story line करने में दिक्कत होती है, anyway once the syllabus will get over, so ask your mentor, ask the faculty, okay sir, while this topic, this is where I'm missing it. And more like every day draw something. When we draw the element which is nearby home, in a home, so you will be not totally blank. What is
okay,
doodling?
Sir.
Someone please help the Ria, what is doodling? Doodle में क्या क्या आता है? We have discussed enough. Sorry?
सर अपने
मालविका,
काम को
what is,
रफली करना।
वो भी होता है, वो भी पार्ट है, बट डूडल
कार्टून
इज,
कैरेक्टर।
सॉरी,
कार्टून कैरेक्टर मतलब
It's like
कार्टून की तरह
single
बना।
line drawing. putting no effort. Like it's just single line drawing.
Okay. Anyone else? Samita?
There are not much detailings.
So actually in doodling you need to draw your thing very fast, not like very fast, but it's saving time, and you just make it. Uh,
We don't have to do much
Idea of the
detailing.
paper.
स्तुति आप कुछ बताओगे?
Basically, just putting together your thoughts in creative manner in different fonts and different types of visuals. It's all visual art. It's visual representation in the simplest way. So yeah.
Yeah. Visual representation in a simplest way can be in a line form, can be in a geometrical, can be someone says that like cartoonistic form, however you are comfortable. And the easiest, simplest way which simply you can present. And all of you are right almost in your own way, which understanding you are. And your friend also said thank you. Few of you more having a problem. Unfocused design and pattern. See, you will have a principle of like right now the topic is different. You will have principle of when we have a design principle, and there are different topics are. If you're a new student, so we'll cover the all topic. It may be after the announcement of the NIFT or NID form, if they will change the format of the exam, it has become an online for modes. So then we learn more and more theory also, and the practically also. Right now I'm not putting more because as per the syllabus we need to be good in hand. And right now please be in this mode only, develop this part, because this is also we need to improve a lot. So many of you are supposed to complete your assignment. I hope if you have completed, do submit. If you haven't, not required now to complete, it's okay. Just make sure that tomorrow the one work should be done nicely. And I'm expecting from all 82 83 students, though they are here in the class. So almost everyone was there from starting to end today. That's the best thing. It's a good sign because you all have exam in Jan or December. So I don't think so there is a problem in your approach. Is just somewhat you are not motivated, somewhat you have started feeling like "Ocha, kaise karenge?" It's become too much, too hard, too difficult. If you are getting a confusion between, thoda bore hota hai, batao. And I will also try to keep a weekly one class, the one common class continuously from now onwards. Just making at least the 1 hour also I would have some discussion where we can come. And it is very important to meet at least. So even my work, Hema Sri, I'm actually submission of Bhubi, awareness Corona, right? Yeah, anyone. So the time is up. I said till 6 p.m. Home server will show me the work or anything you want to discuss. Kuch bhi puchna hai, career, future, whatever, I will answer you. So time is over now. So I want you to understand the value of all this. After that, I said I will take 5 minutes. So sir, I am facing a lot of problem in English. कोई बात नहीं, आप हम धीरे धीरे improve होगा. मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ, बहुत अच्छी मेरी भी नहीं है. And it is okay. English is just a language. मुझे संस्कृत आती है, and I know 10 of you can talk to me in Sanskrit. शायद 10 लोग हैं क्लास में, तो it is completely up to you. I know many other language also. आपको ही पता होगा हिंदी, है ना? But यहाँ बैंगलोर रहने के बाद मेरी हिंदी थोड़ी बिगड़ गई. I was very good in Hindi. There's a time. तो इधर का टंग आ गया because it's been a decade now. I learned few words in different language. So language is just a language. Do not take it language in some other way. आपका knowledge आपको काम आएगा. I work for your friend is writing in the private message, so I'm openly बता रहा हूँ मैं जो no one feel too shy because of language. Yes, tell me.
Time management, sir. When we are drawing something, it's taking
I said your time is over now. The first time management thing is you are supposed to ask me question before 6 p.m. Whomsoever question is, I will answer in a one line, but not in detail. It's a very simple time management. You can do it when you will learn the method, how do work smartly, which was seen in the composition and poster which I have shown you. I can show you 1,000 of that. I do not want to show you because I don't want to come in a frame. This is not the formula which I will teach you. वो आपको follow करना exam में. You need to find your own way. Okay, I'm good in scribbling. I'm good in smudging. I am good in line form, I am good in Hover, but use only two medium, color pencil or normal pencil. Everyone getting it? Yeah, I can see few of you on my screen, and even I can see Stuti, Nisha and all, even like, you know, they are agreeing, they are saying it, yes. Like, you know, so guys need to understand it. There's no magic is something. End of the day, you need to work on paper. I will not come and work for you, or the other teacher will not work for you. So make sure that take that limited time and frame in your hands. Half an hour में क्या बन रहा है आपसे? If you are able to draw, like suppose if I have to draw something on paper, like ऐसे करके, मतलब ऐसे मुझे सर्कल बनाना हो, ड्रॉप बनाना हो, so I can draw like this. ऐसे draw किया, बन गया ये. So how it is possible? Because I practice number of time ऐसे करके. तो अच्छा नहीं, मुझे water drop बनाना है, मुझे circle बनाना है, मुझे ये करना है. So only the way is practice. There's no other way. Now limited elements practice. What I said, practice the group of human beings, man, woman, face, essay, group of people. That's already we discussed. If you are not active in the class, you need to go and check the recording. तो अच्छा नहीं हमने क्या discuss किया. So it is very important to understand, give the importance of everything. अगर कहीं doubt होता उसके बाद तो ask, so that you can come back and discuss. Now I'll go back to assignment part. You are supposed to do only one. I'm not asking right now composition also. Many of you need to practice and improve. The one topic was very simple, save water. Another was also corona, which is very vast. Why I'm talking about the word corona? You can think about post-pandemic, pre-pandemic, in between, awareness, safety, how the world is, and what you're looking at, आगे का क्या होगा दुनिया में. So poster format is always, if the only keyword is given corona or you have to make poster always pass some message. So you have to obviously give some message. That is the idea of the poster. Message on poster and hoarding is two different. Hoarding is explanation with detail, with some ad board kind of. Poster is more about social awareness. If you remember, like, you know, lot of banner poster on so many social topic also. There's one topic was pulse polio. शायद आप लोगों को याद हो, पता नहीं. You know, there's a long back in India was the polio campaigning when you guys were 5-7 year old जब होगे. अगले जनरेशन से 10 साल बाद पूछोगे तो उनको पता नहीं होगा. So you at least you have seen those in 2005 to 10. It was pretty much in India everywhere. So, and that was your era, like, you know, when you were 0 to 5 age group, most of you are. So my idea is very simple. I hope you will come up with something unique and different concept, and give the value of each and every class you are participating in. Learn from there. I will try to keep at least week or 15 days make session where we will talk more towards the exam strategy point. So tomorrow I'm expecting this. Make sure do not disturb your CR. Make submit on time so that they can compile it on time and can share in the CR group. So you will share like, you know, with the CR or in the group only. They will compile it. After 10 we are not taking entry. For CR it will be 2 or 3 p.m. You can compile and you can share your work as early as you can. That is based on your school, college and other work, what you're doing it right now. And we'll meet at the same time tomorrow 5 p.m. Half an hour we'll have a small discussion with your work, and half an hour I'll keep it for me, where I will discuss about the courses which you want to do. So जो आपको अगर product करना है, industrial करना है, communication करना है, either you are for bachelor or master, so I will take those questions and I'll answer it. और उसका क्या career है? Sir, shall I submit it by 1 or 2? No, try to submit by today only. Then tomorrow 10 a.m. for people though they work in morning. Today is for those who want to finish it by today by 10, 11 or 12. I'm not telling you work till 3, 4 because I've not given you 5. It's 1. And I'm expecting 1 is in from now 2-3 hours in thinking. And if you have a project or something, just try to find out some time and do it neatly, or some other old concepts also. That's what I've given, very simple topic. Try it, Bhuvi. If 10 is ideally, it's fine. Not 10 for you, Bhuvi. If you are not able to submit and you are not there in the group also, you can submit to your mentor and you can share with me. That's not a problem. Few students, though they are not added in any group, you are new, you can submit to us. That's not a problem. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much. We are done for today, class. It's a nice evening weather across India, I think. You can just go outside, just relax a bit, because I see most of you are looking very tired. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,